Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to repurpose everyday items into a functional watering can. It's a simple, budget-friendly project that's perfect for your garden. Stick around to see the full transformation from scrap to a handy gardening tool. First, get a 15-liter container and a water tap ready. These are our main materials for the project. Let's get started. Next, I'll drill a hole in the body. This acts as an air vent, allowing oxygen in to balance the pressure so the water flows out smoothly. Then, I'll install a tire valve into that hole. This allows us to regulate the airflow and prevents water from leaking out when the container is full. Simple yet effective. Next, I'll attach the water spray nozzle. This allows us to adjust the spray patterns, from a fine mist to a strong stream. Perfect for all your gardening needs. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting.
having some fun.
That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.